Okay, here is the parking garage elevator at IKEA in Centennial. Got big elevators here. I think these are Schindler. Most people confuse them for being KONE. Yeah, this is a Schindler elevator. Go down to the bottom, and then we're gonna go up. Yeah, these are Schindler. Schindler hydraulic elevators. Little noisy. Oh, look at the size of these cabs. These are definitely not as smooth as they used to be. Very, very large cab size though. Anyways, we'll close the door. And of course, you gotta select the floor to make it close the door. Definitely Schindler. We'll go up to M here. We're gonna get off on M. We'll get a look at the fixtures.
Yeah.
All right, hop out. Big elevator cars, very big. Can wait for whenever that thing closes up. Then we're going to take a quick look out the window, and that'll be the end of the video. Alright, now we look out the window. There's the highway, a couple office buildings, and the highway is Interstate 25, by the way. And we're parked in that lot somewhere, and that's it.